Maya Angelou's I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings in 2022 is the most challenged book in the United States. Based on inappropriate themes. What are inappropriate themes? Let's talk about it. Sexual assault or abuse. This book depicts her childhood trauma. In fact, you probably don't even realize how many children experience that. I know I didn't. Racism and racial slurs. It's a Black woman in the United States. It's her memoir. Of course, she's going to depict how her life, how people called her, saw her. And then there's the sexuality and coming of age themes. Listen, we all go through this, and sometimes we just need to not feel so alone. And for many, it comes in the form of a book. And then there's profanity and graphic content. I can guarantee you that children hear profanity more outside of a book than they will ever hear inside of a book. And no matter how hard you try to stop it, it's around them all the time. The last reason is anti-white sentiments, because she depicts how the racial injustice happened during her time of life growing up. Again, a Black woman growing up in the United States. There's injustice there. I hate to be the truth of this one, but yeah, it happened. It still happens. Despite this book being challenged and banned, it is still a great piece of literature that is about resilience and strength and coming of age, whether you believe it should be banned or not.